Maritime Wooden Boat Show, 33rd year. Thank you for coming today. It's not over yet.
Yeah.
We have had many beautiful boats in here. These people take pride in them. They love them, and without these boats, we would not have a wooden boat show. So this time, we're going to talk about the awards. The people who have won, they already know it because they have a ribbon on their boat. A blue ribbon for the first place, and a white ribbon for judge's choice. What I will do is read out the name and the boat and the comments by the judges. And please excuse me if I mispronounce names, boat name, or what anything. All right, we're going to get started here. The first category, the road category. The winner is John Martin of Cottageville, South Carolina. Exhibit number 5 named Penelope. Now you can immediately see John's boats there right over here to my right. He's been coming to this same spot for years. Judges comment, the owner is a long-time supporter of the boat show. The boat is impeccably detailed in every way. Congratulations, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Next category, canoe. The winner, and this is what I'm talking about, mispronouncing names. Adelaide Thorstad of Georgetown, South Carolina. Exhibit number 101, named Bizan, I think. B-I-Z-A-A-N. Annie, she here? Come on up. Did I get close with the name? All right, this boat was restored using factory spare parts that it came with when originally delivered in 1941. All other replaced parts match the originals. Congratulations, thank you. Judges Award in Canoe. Gregory Moore, Murphy, North Carolina, exhibit number 108, named Ruston Princess.
Nice meeting you, yeah.
Gregory around here. Okay, judges' comments. Complete and thorough restoration. The owner has paid close attention to detail, especially with the boat's hardware. All right, we'll move right along to the next Judges Award in Canoe. John Warren, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, exhibit number 110, named Annie Jane. There you go, John. This boat was built during the COVID pandemic. A lot of things happened at home during the COVID pandemic, so this fella built a boat. It was made in part from rare and beautiful tiger maple. All right, next category, kayak. Winner, Matthew Gunning, Somerville, South Carolina. Number 204, stand-up fishing kayak named Spartina.
Good job.
Judges comment, fish silhouette inlay in the boat, graphite bottom from paddleboard design for stability when poling. All right, next category, surf, paddleboards. Winner, Scott Vismaris, Georgetown, South Carolina. Number 305, named Alea Surfboard. Old school surfboard with no fins, made from recycled mahogany salvaged from the Sandpit River in downtown Georgetown. Scott, does it glow in the dark? Yes, sir, coming out of the Sandpit. Beautiful place. Category sail, winner, Chris Elliott, Edenton, North Carolina. Number 408, named Legacy. Designed and built by a father and son. The boat is still sailed weekly. When the owner wants to feel closest to his deceased father, he raises the sail. Chris, keep the sails raised and full. Judges Award in sail, Ken Ford, St. Augustine, Florida. Number 402 named Roxanne. The owner, a former Florida State physics professor, designed and patented the Birdwind mast design and built the boat. A little bit different. You can see it right over there. Sail, another Judges Award. Robert Ortego, Wilmington, North Carolina. Number 406, named In Theory. Just finished this year, constructed from, Robert, how do you pronounce this first one? Sapele?
Sapele.
All right, got it, okay.
Good job.
Constructed from Sapele, cypress, Douglas fir, and Narante plywood. Beautiful and a rare blend of woods. All right. Classic sail. I kind of thought this when it came in. Winner, Marcy Jean Brunner of Charleston, South Carolina. Number 453, named Tradewind. The owner lives on and off the boat in Charleston. The boat travels extensively and is a true labor of love for the owner. If you haven't seen it, go down there and look at it at the end of the dock. Judges Award in Classic Sail, Carson Benton, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, number 452. Designed from pre-1900 plans. The current owner has had it for more than 50 years. It has been exhibited in many wooden and sailboat shows over the years and won numerous awards. I don't see Carson, okay. Outboard Power, winner, Robert Fields, Johns Island, South Carolina, number 513, named Marsh Hen. The owner uses the boat often. It was built during the COVID pandemic as a Chesapeake peeler skiff. Not sure what that is, but it's a beautiful boat. Judges Award for Outboard Power, Stephen Trueluck, Georgetown, South Carolina, number 508, named Pot Luck. The boat's bottom is canvas cloth. Its interior wooden stringers are exposed, giving it a classic look. Old outboard motor on it still runs. That's great. Okay, come on up.
Look at Mr. Page.
Here. Okay. Robert Fields. Get him up front there. We get a picture of him. Get something here for posterity.
Stand next to me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Robert. All right, next we have Classic Outboard. Robert Christina is the winner. Little River, South Carolina, number 552. Boat has all original upholstery, curtains and so on, and are more than 60 years old and in incredible condition.
Good job.
Thank you, Robert. Beautiful boat. All right, Judges Award in Classic Outboard, Brian Hornsby, Lugol, South Carolina, number 557, named Woodpecker. Ryan has been in this boat show before and won a few things before. The boat sat from 1957 till 2014. The current owner stripped all of the fiberglass off the boat to make it a true wooden boat prior to restoration. Now that's a lot of work, and that is a labor of love. Okay. Inboard Power. Winner, John Worcester, Beaufort, North Carolina. Number 6 605 named Scorpio. During the COVID pandemic, I told you a lot of things were done at home during this COVID thing. During the COVID pandemic, the owner called the North Carolina Watercraft Center and inquired about building a boat. He bought the design from New Zealand and led a class of students during the build. Not only build, but taught, and it worked out great.
Thank you.
Congratulations, John. All right, Carson, come on up here. Get Carson back up here. Come on, walk up here with me.
You told me to come up here.
Oh, we got all three of them. Classic sale, Carson Benton.
Thank you.
All right, good. Carson, I appreciate you choosing to have your picture taken with me rather than her. Okay. All right, where were we now? Inboard power. Judges Award, Ken Hewitt from Supply, North Carolina. That's right near Varnumtown. Number 604 named Folly Girl for the Folly River he's on. This boat was incredibly built from scratch without any plans. The owner made it up during the build and did a great job. Let you start at the bow and work toward the stern, Ken. That looks great. Okay, classic inboard power. Winner, Spencer Hertog. Charleston, South Carolina. Number 959, named Old Poop. Owner's grandfather bought the boat more than 60 years ago. It has been restored twice. It was most recently restored when the owner told his grandfather that he was engaged, and his grandfather told him the boat needed to be restored so they could leave the wedding in the boat. Now that is motivation. The grandfather died during the restoration. The owner and his wife left their wedding reception in the boat. Congratulations, woman. Judges Award for Classic Inboard, Bob Graham, Summerville, South Carolina, number 651, named Sylvia 2. All right, Bob, see here? Built in 1933. Here he comes. Built in 1933, its history includes commercial fishing, Navy supply, sunk once, and used as a teaching vessel. I reckon the teaching part was how not to sink it again. Documented as the oldest surviving wooden fishing boat in North Carolina. Congratulations, Bob. Judges Award for Classic Inboard. Hank Tiller, Georgetown, South Carolina, number 661, named Cost Plus. All right, where's Hank? He's out there on his boat, I think. Boat has been a labor of love for its owner for many years. It has exhibited at the boat show numerous times. The boat has many stories to tell, and Hank has been down on the docks parking boats for the wooden boat show for the past 30 years. So he's been right there with us with his boat. All right, owner designed and built. Wait a minute, this is a repeat. Okay, winner, John Martin. Cottageville, South Carolina, number 708, flat skiff, named Paraboy. Very detailed design prior to construction. The boat is made to fish.
Come on, Catherine.
Congratulations again, John.
Thank you.
We have the glasses on.
There you go.
Hey,
One design and build. How about that?
Owner designed and built, Judges Award. Tommy Graham. Tommy, step up here. McClellanville, South Carolina. Number 705 houseboat boat named Alert. The boat is a tribute to its owner's father. It is named after the owner's father's freight boat from McClellanville. You can always tell alert. It is the first boat on the right as you're going out into the water, the blue and white houseboat. Glad to have you back again.
Oh, welcome.
Judges Award, Henry Culbertson, and owner designed and built. Pawleys Island, South Carolina, number 706, row and solar powered boat named Greta T, designed and built by a local builder. The attention to detail and design is remarkable. Henry is quite a craftsman. Henry here? Okay. Let's see, Century Class winner, Captain Robert Cobb, McClellanville, South Carolina, number 751, named Miss Ivy. This is a rare pre-100-year-old boat. It was built in 1917 by Old Cypress Canoes. Robert around anywhere? Okay, moving right along. Model boat. This is something that's gotten in a little bit new this year. The winner of the model boat, Margaret Grant, Rock Hill, South Carolina, number 803, named Conrad. Carolina Oyster Pole skiff, named after the movie based on the Pat Conroy book, The Water is Wide. Cradle boats and more. We've got all kind of categories here. We've got so many different types of boats and so many beautiful boats out there, but this is cradle boats and more. The winner is Chris Elliott from Edenton, North Carolina. Another repeat. Number 851, rocking boat named Annie B. Boat was made for the owner's young granddaughter. It features a rope sippy cup holder, now that's kind of neat, and special cubby for stuffed animals and toys. You can't hardly beat that kind of boat now. That concludes. I know we've got one more award. I'm sorry about forgetting about a big one here. All right, this is the one that we don't choose. Y'all choose this one. This is the People's Choice Award. Michael Flynn, Charleston, South Carolina, number 701. Owner designed and built runabout, the name Flyboys. Look, I can't read that right. Flyboys. Michael, congratulations. People's Choice Award, this is the one that all of you voted for. It's great.
No, can I? Yeah, Jack.
Dan, step up here. We got an award from Dan the Knot Man. This is another person that's been part of this boat show for years and years and always has a lot of fun. Dan, go ahead.
Hey, Johnny. The Georgetown 6-Knot Challenge has been happening for about 20 years, and we have been trying to come up with a design for a trophy. This is the basis of the trophy. It was made by Mr. Mark Baines, the first winner of the boat building contest here. When we did the 6-knot challenge, I used the figure 8 knot as one of the knots, and it's I found an iron knot which decorates it. One of our knot tires here that's been around for at least the last 13 years, Mr. Joe Gorman, passed away this summer from cancer, and so we're going to honor him with his name on the plaque on the trophy, and this will reside at the South Carolina Maritime Museum. So Joe is a character, and I know that he's looking down on us today because the winner of this year's knot tying contest is from Lexington, South Carolina, and his name is Joe Danley. So we have our winner this year, and his name will be added to it, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Dan the Knot Man. Always right here in the middle of the street, surrounded by kids and everybody else learning how to tie knots. This concludes our awards announcements. The boats have been finished and we'll be ready to put them in the water in a little while. Dock should be cleared in here in a little bit. At 5 o'clock, they will go in and each team member will have to race it out and back. Only have 2 boats this year. COVID and the hurricane kind of devastated our competitors on this. But glad to have these 2. Wait a minute. Next year, we are already looking into a new boat or new activity. Something maybe a little bit different, but along the same lines. Either way, it'll end up in building a boat and putting it in the water at 5 o'clock. And it'll be a lot of fun. So that's our plan for right now. Unless there's anything else, I'm going to again say thank you for coming. Come on down to the waterfront. Let's see what these boats will do. Thank you.